Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Find My on your iPhone or iPad and signing in with the Apple ID linked to the Airpods. This connects device states. Make sure Bluetooth and location services are on so proximity and last seen data update. Once done, select the Airpods from devices. You'll immediately see their last known location or live distance. If both Airpods show separate locations, note each marker. This step gives you the starting coordinates and proximity accuracy for the search. Next, use the on-screen controls to play a sound. That's the fastest way to locate nearby Airpods because sound travels and cuts search time. If you have an iPhone with precision finding, follow the visual and haptic cues to walk toward the strongest signal. This combines Bluetooth RSSI and ultra-wideband when available. Make sure to test left and right independently. One bud may be in a pocket or bag. Keep volume moderate so you can still hear surroundings. Pause the sound if you're about to pick them up. Finally, head to the last seen spot on the map and retrace your steps while scanning areas like couch creases, jacket pockets, and car seats. Move cushions and unzip bags methodically. If the AirPods are offline, enable Notify when found so you receive an alert once they reconnect. Make sure to refresh the Find My app occasionally and check other signed-in devices. Troubleshooting tip: if they still don't appear, reset the case and AirPods only after you're certain they aren't nearby. Resetting removes pairing info and won't help a hidden pair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.